Tonight, when the sun goes down, you're going to flip a switch. You do not think about which hand you used to do it. For 9 out of 10 of you, it will be your right hand. Roughly 1 in 10 humans is left-handed, and that ratio has held for at least 500,000 years. Why? If evolution favors the majority, why did left-handedness survive? For centuries, humanity tried to erase it. The medieval church called the left hand the tool of the devil. In ancient Rome, the word for left was sinister. Even in modern history, children had their left hands tied behind their backs in classrooms, yet the 10% remained. In 1996, evolutionary biologists Dr. Mitchell Forey and Dr. Raymond Renaud looked at the data. They uncovered something strange. Left-handedness does not survive despite human violence. It survives because of it. Imagine a brutal hand-to-hand fight 500,000 years ago. 2 hominids approach each other. Most fighters are right-handed. They train to defend against right-handed strikes. Suddenly, a left-handed fighter steps forward. His movements are inverted. His shield is on the wrong side. His strike comes from a blind spot. Who wins that fight? This is the fighting hypothesis. In a world before guns, being left-handed was a lethal biological surprise. Researchers found that in traditional, non-industrial societies, the higher the homicide rate, the higher the percentage of left-handed individuals. Nature kept the ratio low enough to maintain the element of surprise, but high enough to ensure survival. If left-handedness rose to 50%, the advantage disappeared. What happens when a genetic quirk is forged in conflict? The physical asymmetry goes deeper than your limbs. Neuroscientist Dr. Norman Geschwind discovered that left-handed individuals have a more symmetrical brain structure. The connection between the left and right hemispheres, the corpus callosum, is up to 11% larger in left-handed people. Information travels faster across their brains. They process spatial data with an eerie efficiency. But nature always demands a price. The same neurological mapping that grants lightning-fast reflexes carries a hidden burden. Left-handed individuals are statistically overrepresented in sleep disorders, dyslexia, and immune system anomalies. We invented a world entirely structured for the 90%. Scissors, door handles, and gear shifts are designed to reject the left hand. Are we looking at a biological defect or a preserved weapon from our ancient past? Look closely at your own hands tonight. Your dominant side was chosen long before your first breath, locked into your DNA by an evolutionary math that balances peace and violence. The 10% are not a random mistake. They are the living relics of an ancient survival strategy, kept alive by the simple, lethal advantage of being different.